Bitcoin, and this is going to make history one more time, guys. Just maybe a week or 2 weeks or just even days, right? Because there's some massive news coming in right out of Elon Musk, out of Tesla, about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about this. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecast. My name is Syed, and we're going to be talking about, is Bitcoin going to hit 100K, or will it going to hit 100K and beyond? Not just 100K, but beyond. Now, I did stream a couple of weeks ago about Bitcoin crossing, and this was our price analysis, this was our prediction, and of course we added Bitcoin to our portfolio when it was 32 or 34,000, right? So we're super happy, and this is going to, of course, make history as we move forward. So welcome back to Invest Desk. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and smash that like button and the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is exciting news, updates, research, tangible data, so you can make informed decisions. So let me go ahead and set up my chat so I can see what's going on, so I can talk to you guys and get your opinion, and just hit me with comments as to when do you think Bitcoin is going to cross 100K. It's not the matter of will it cross or not. It's just a matter of when. Days, weeks, months. Let me know what you think, in your opinion, Bitcoin will cross 100K. And then, of course, we will run our analysis and we'll talk about that. And we'll see how Bitcoin is going to reach 100K and when is it going to reach 100K. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about. Some exciting news, so hang in there. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time. All right, so let me go ahead and, of course, as always, set up my live chat so I can see what's going on. So again, hit me with comments. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin and how and when is it going to hit 100K. All right, now we've done our analysis. I've already done so I'm going to share that with you, of course, and we're going to take a look at some charts, take a look at some technical analysis too about Bitcoin. We'll also touch base, of course, on Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and Shiba Inus, because all of these cryptos are in our portfolio. All right, so welcome everybody. All right, let me get my chat here so I can see what's going on. Yep. Let me mute my own voice. Perfect. Colby, what's up, buddy? Hey, nice to see you. Thanks so much. BTC up. You bet. Yeah, it is 66,340, all-time high, and it is still going up. And it's not going to stop, by the way. And I'm going to share just shortly why, about the news coming out of Elon Musk, right out of Tesla, about this big tax, that bill that he has to pay, and then instead of paying, he's going to convert everything to Bitcoin, or maybe he has already. And that's what causing Bitcoin to go up massively. And it's going to take Bitcoin to 100K, because I think it's going to probably buy Bitcoin worth of 20 billion. I don't know. Don't hold me to it, but we'll take a look at that. There's some exciting stuff happening, guys. And that's exactly what Invest Desk is all about, right? So yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, so let me get some comments here. What's going on? Peacefully, thanks so much. It's going to pull back a tad bit, like 57K maybe, and then 100K by December. Well, yeah, thanks for your comments. Certainly appreciate that. In our analysis 2 weeks ago, this is an old analysis that we did, by the way. Our analysis, when we ran the analysis on Bitcoin, by the way, this was 2 weeks ago, and our analysis showed that Bitcoin is going to cross 150,000 by December. So if it crosses 100K, hey, we're happy, not bad. So it's going to cross 100. It's going to cross 100K in November, and we still have, of course, the full of December. And hey, it's going to be a good holiday season coming up, right? But that's exactly what it is. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Welcome back. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I mean when I talk about Elon Musk, right? I'm talking about Bitcoin. But first, this is Bitcoin chart. This is 66,400, of course, all-time high that you see. This is a 1 day. If you look at a week's chart, this is a week. And let me go to a month and see where we were at when we were at 32. Yeah, it was even prior to month, right? So that's when we bought Bitcoin in our portfolio. All right, so perfect. This is super exciting. All right, this is Bitcoin. What I want to show you here is this thing. All right, check it out. Bitcoin retains 65,000, and of course now it's crossed that. After Elon Musk sell-off sees BTC pass Tesla market cap. Now, Bitcoin price action remains strong after overnight bullishness proves its staying power. And it has sustained itself no matter what, right? We'll talk about this. Now, Bitcoin beats Tesla by market cap. And data from Telegraph, for example, and TradingView shows that BTC down to 900 at 65,500 after hitting highs of 66,433. But yeah, it's beyond that, guys. Check it out. And this was the success was tapered by news that Tesla CEO Elon Musk would sell 10% of his Tesla holdings worth around $23 billion simply because Twitter users voted him to do so. Not quite, right? He's doing so because he can save up on taxes and make some more money. That's the deal. All right. So that's the news, and this is it's a fact. It's not just a hype. It's not just speculation. That's what's happening, and this is what is causing Bitcoin to go up more than 66,366, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Let me show you where Bitcoin is on CoinMarketCap, 66,389. And by the way, the hidden gem is Ethereum. All right. Now, we don't talk a lot about Ethereum because we don't have it in our portfolio. I do have it in my other portfolios, but just so you know that Ethereum also is positioning itself to cross $10,000, right? So keep that in mind. It's almost 5,000, almost nearing. It's 4,771, guys. This was at 2,000, 2,400 just last month. This is crazy. Like I say, crypto is a crazy world. So Ethereum, definitely, keep an eye out on what's going on with ETH. And of course, our baby Dogecoin, always 28 cents. Not bad. So as Bitcoin, of course, goes up, and we've established sort of like it's 60% correlated with Bitcoin. Yeah. So if Bitcoin goes to 100K, if it crosses 100K, yeah, watch out for Dogecoin. May end up reaching $1. You never know. That'd be super cool, wouldn't it, right? So yeah, that's exciting. And of course, we also have Shiba Inu, which is at 56. It's down a little bit, of course, correcting itself. And then, of course, after the consolidation, it's also going to maybe to another all-time high. So let me know what you think, but let's want to focus on Bitcoin a little bit, and then, but of course, we'll come back to Dogecoin. We'll come back to Shiba Inu, and of course, SafeMoon. Where is SafeMoon at? Yeah, let me just quickly talk about that. SafeMoon is at 43.2. Let me refresh, see what's going on, because SafeMoon is also consolidating right now. It went all the way up to 70, by the way, but of course, that's what happens, guys, right? If it goes up, it has to come down. And we know that. So it says 4302, which is pretty all right. And that's what it's hopefully finding its new support level. And we enjoy that. We like that. All right. So this is the news for Bitcoin. And of course, the important aspect here is that Elon Musk is going to sell 10% of his Tesla holdings. And that's worth around $23 billion. Simply because Twitter users, no, it's not simply because he has other things going on. And I'm going to share that also just shortly. All right, so aside from being 9 months to the day, Tesla purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin for his balance sheet. The move from Musk produced an unintended consequence. Bitcoin passed Tesla by market cap. All right. So that would deliver diversification for him, inflation protection, and more upside for all the investors in a tax-efficient manner. Now, what remains unclear, according to this particular news article or this article, that Musk will do with the proceeds of the stock sale, which he says, will be his only taxable event, as he receives no salary from Tesla. Now, guys, apart from his taxable events, of course, you don't want to pay taxes or you want to give to charity to save taxes, or you want to be able to cover some loans. So I'm going to be talking about that also. So hold that thought. But right now, the news, of course, is that Bitcoin retains 65 or is way past 65 after Elon Musk's sell-off sees BTC pass Tesla market cap. Let me know what you think, where Bitcoin is going to be stopping as we move forward. And that's important because many of these cryptos are certainly related to Bitcoin. As Bitcoin goes up, all these cryptos also go up. So not bad. We'll take that. All right. So with that, let's take a look at Dogecoin. Of course, this is our chart at Dogecoin. Dogecoin has 28 cents. So it's moving up. It actually went up because it was some huge buy. It went up almost all the way up to 30 cents, 29.49. But now it's at 28, kind of did some correction, and it's moving back up to 28 cents. Not bad, we'll take it. Of course, we bought Dogecoin at about 5 cents, 7 cents, and some Doge at 11 cents. That's about it. And now it's at 28 cents. Not bad. That's pretty cool. But in any case, Doge has been stabilizing, or it has been with us since way back in February, right? And we know that, and that's how Dogecoin has been working for us. And yeah, we're still in the green, so that's kind of nice, right? All right. So we talked about Bitcoin, talked about Dogecoin, or we're talking about Dogecoin, of course. And if you check out my other streams, guys, I've demonstrated how to set up, for example, the squeeze momentum indicator, especially if you're day trading. That's a wonderful, wonderful tool. And let me, in fact, show you right here quickly so you know. I think we did create for ourselves. If I'm signed in, I should be able to bring it up. All right, yep, there we go. So you'll find it under community scripts. Go check this out. This is called the squeeze momentum indicator. This is by Lazy Bear. And this is kind of very helpful because, and again, check out my live stream. I'm not going to go in depth about how to set this up and what these bars represent, and the reds and the light reds and the dark reds and light greens and the dark greens and so on, right? But this gives you an indication as to when to buy and when to sell, right? So yeah, go check out my live stream. But this is a good, useful indicator. So if you're watching this, yeah, now you know exactly. So go check it out. Definitely would make you or give you some benefit. All right, so this is Dogecoin. We talked about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 66,431. This is at CoinDesk price. And let's take a look at Bitcoin closes in on record above 66, which it already has. Leads cryptocurrencies on a fresh bull run. And not just Bitcoin, guys. I want to give you this pro tip here, and this is just for whoever is here. Check this out. I want to show you this about, a clip of 2 to 3 minutes about Ethereum, right? Now, once you see it, you'll be able to then see and hear for yourself what's going on. So check it out. Just a couple of minutes. I'm going to play it just for two minutes or so, and then you will know.
Welcome back. And time now for our crypto corner, where we have Ether back to 40, not back, it's at 4,600, hit it briefly, scaled back. That's a record high. By the way, switch places with the S&P 500 yesterday, and it did it again today. Also, the SEC is delaying its decision on a Valkyrie Bitcoin ETF, that's a physical one, until next year. And guess what? You heard it here first on Yahoo Finance when Valkyrie CEO Leah Wald joined the show nearly 2 weeks ago, and she outlined her timeline expirations for SEC approval. Let's take a listen.
Definitely the SEC is looking. I think that the futures ETF is an incredible first step. To your point, we filed our spot Bitcoin ETF way back in January 22nd. We do think that that is the holy grail, but we don't think it's going to be approved anytime soon. So I think that the SEC is going to be watching this week very closely. They're going to be considering how this goes, what are the next steps. I think that they are very much following the market movements.
There you go. The game plan as expected per Gensler and what he's been saying about the approval process lately. But Zach, I want to get your take on Ether, Ethereum, $4,600. We've seen the development of the adoption of Ether, but on Twitter, I just keep seeing all these complaints about the high gas prices. In order to use it, the smart contracts, it costs a lot of money, and there are developments in place to ease that with layer 2 currently and layer 1. I'm just wondering what you're thinking about that right now.
There's a lot of different things going on there, Jared. I mean, when we think about Ethereum and the price calls we've heard from analysts for 10,000, to get there, it has a lot to do with the disinflationary aspects of Ethereum. Essentially, they're making changes to the network to burn Ethereum coins in those transactions. So you're left with basically disinflationary pressures, which is something that I don't think a lot of people watching this space or just watching the prices would really understand. So that is kind of a key fundamental driver for how you get to that $10,000 price level, according to the analysts that have them. But to your point, Jared, when it comes to interacting with the network itself, those gas fees do restrict kind of the entry points in terms of when people would start maybe buying NFTs here. If you don't have any money in Ethereum, you're going to be paying those fees and have your kind of entry basis here in dollars, which is getting more expensive. We sit here at all-time highs. But there is, those layer 2s, which are essentially kind of the settlement layer on top of Ethereum. So instead of paying those high gas fees to do everything on the Ethereum chain, you're recording transaction data above it on a different chain that's cheaper to do so, and then it gets passed along and finalized on Ethereum. So there's different ways to relieve some of that pressure in terms of high gas fees. There's also other chains getting built out there stealing away some of the share of what we're seeing built on Ethereum. So, I mean, there are two dynamics playing out here, but to your point, I guess, broader, when we look at more people opening up, our friend Anthony Pompliano was flagging this before, Glassnode data showing that we've now hit an all-time high number in terms of Bitcoin addresses that have a balance of at least 0.01 Bitcoin. So in terms of not just depth from some big players that are adding to their wallets, but also, what's the other word? Not depth, but breadth in terms of where we're seeing people come in here. So you want both of those things if you're going to keep churning to new all-time highs. And of course, that's Bitcoin, maybe not Ether, but those two certainly go hand in hand.
All right, so yeah, this is pretty cool. So Bitcoin whales are of course buying again, including Elon Musk, right? Yeah, he's a whale too. And we also look at the Ethereum, right? Because apart from the gas fees that you just heard, because of course, because of those gas fees, it's difficult for new entrants, right, to get into and buy at a cheaper price. But with layer 2 coming up with ETH, and of course lowering the gas fees as things progress forward, this is going to be pretty useful. So this is something to watch out for as far as Ethereum is concerned. So I just wanted to highlight this so you know. All right, so welcome back to Invest Desk, guys. Your number one channel. If you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button and the bell notification so you get notified every single time there's some tangible research, update, news, data, so you can make informed decisions. So look out for, of course, BTC crossing 100K. It's just a matter of when. And yeah, let me know when you think Bitcoin is going to cross. Our analysis right here at InvestDesk is that it will definitely cross, in this quarter, last quarter, or by December 31st. It's going to cross 100K, but we're even going a step further and saying it's going to maybe jump up to 120 or maybe 150K plus, right? So we'll see how these whales pan out, in terms of getting into Bitcoin, because people are moving from gold to buying Bitcoin. Now, if this bandwagon, if this wheel starts to turn, guys, this is going to be, that's going to be crazy, by the way. So, yeah, like I say, crypto is a crazy world. All right. So that's Bitcoin. And here's Bitcoin, of course, at 65,671 on CoinMarketCap. Let me go ahead and refresh and see where the current price is. Perfect, 66,446. Not bad. This is BTC, guys. It was at 32,000 just a month ago, right? Yeah, so it's back up and it's going to cross 100K. All right, so it's going to cross 100K. If it crosses 70K in the next day or so, next couple of days, boom, get ready. All right, so there's still time. We'll see. All right. where's our Shiba Inu? So this, the CEO says Shiba Inu coin is good long-term investment, and here's why. So this is the CEO of the world's third largest crypto exchange, KuCoin, by the way, recently explained why Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is a good long-term investment. So yeah, check it out. This is, experts have been often called shitcoin market volatile and high risk. It moves fast and pretty quick. Now, according to this CEO of KuCoin, by the way, seeing Bitcoin's rise, some younger investors without a lot of money want to profit from crypto as well. So yeah, a good buy would be Shiba Inu because it's a relatively low price. And then of course you can jump in and then you can capitalize on it in a short to medium term or even long term, right? The article says it's a long-term investment. So buy now, hold, and we've established already the fact that all cryptos, doesn't matter which crypto you have, if you're able to hold crypto for 1 year, guys, it will definitely pay off. So it's good for the new entrants to buy. So, for example, if you need over $60,000 to buy one Bitcoin, so that turns Dogecoin and SHIB, right? Where you would buy tons using just $100. A Bitcoin can be divided into 100 million Satoshi, its smaller unit. So these investors are very passionate about such tokens and are determined to push prices higher. And that's what the CEO said about, right? So, but not, it's still a risky investment, guys, because crypto, like I say, is a crazy world. So yeah, just do your own research before you jump into buying any cryptocurrency. And of course, InvestDesk is your #1 channel. So if you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button and the bell notification so you get notified every single time. So that's where we are at as far as Shiba Inu is concerned. But let's get back to the comments here. Hector says, hey, smash that like button. Thank you so much. So if you're watching, please smash the like button. This is super exciting. And then Elias says, will the bull run extend to 2022? The analysis and the research still shows that this trend is going to continue even with the first quarter of 2022. And we're looking at Bitcoin, as high as $300,000 plus, right? Getting into next year. So, and that's, historically, Bitcoin was only $200, $100, guys, right? And no one even bothered. And today is I see it as the same scenario. It's 6,000 is nothing. It's going to cross 100K, and then you'll be looking back and you'll be thinking, well, geez, I should have bought Bitcoin at 32,000 because InvestDesk right here, we bought Bitcoin at about $32,000 or $34,000, right? And now it's at 66, so it's doubled already. So we're looking at, of course, even moving further into crossing 100K, maybe 120, 150, and of course it's going to continue to grow because as people get more comfortable with the crypto industry, they get more comfortable with digital assets, digital gold. That's what's happening, right? So it's moving from gold deposits to BTC, guys. Yep, mark my words. That's what's happening. So, all right. So that's for BTC, of course, again, and this is Shiba Inu. We talked about that. And will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent? Well, I don't know about that, but hey, this is an article. If you want to go check it out, you can do so. Just a hype, right? But I just wanted to bring this up because, yeah, it wouldn't be bad, right, if it reaches 1 cent. All right. And we also talked about SafeMoon. We also looked at a Dogecoin, of course, at 27.28 cents. Not bad. And of course, Bitcoin at about 66,271.45. This is super cool. And this is exciting, guys, because BTC is going to continue. And because of Elon Musk selling 10% share, and Tesla shares are, by the way, 5% down. Yeah, I read that too. But that's good because it's moving towards crypto. The goal is for the crypto industry to expand, and it's just a simple formula, guys. As the crypto industry grows, guess what? All these cryptos are going to grow. All right, so thank you for tuning in. Let me see some final comments before I call it a Monday. This is nice. Monday is pretty cool because we're going to see the whole week and follow along Bitcoin, and of course our other assets that we have here at InvestDesk, right? All right, so thank you all for your support. Thank you all for the support. Certainly appreciate that. And have yourself a happy Monday. Let me know in comments what you think about Bitcoin, because we have been keeping track of Bitcoin sort of like since we bought it. And then our last analysis showed that it's going to cross 100K, it's going to cross 150K. And that's exactly what's happening. And it's happening sooner than probably what we thought. We were thinking about in December, but hey, it's just start of November. So we'll see how it goes out. We'll see next week, or even this week. It's just Monday, and we'll see how this week goes forward. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. Certainly appreciate that. If you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you so much for being here, and the bell notification so you get notified every single time there is some breaking news, updates, and research so you can make informed decisions. My name is Syed, and I'll see you guys next time.